Insert the filter inside the device. Align the lock system in place by turning it. After connecting to an outlet, it enters the self-test procedure. The start button will dim red. Press to power on. Timer can be set from 2, 4, and 8 hour. Sleep mode, press the button and will be highlighted in white. After 10 seconds, all the lights will go off. To reactivate the screen, simply touch any button. The fan speed changes one step at a time through low, medium, high, and turbo. For child lock, press 3 seconds to lock. Long press 3 seconds to unlock it. When the child lock is locked, you can long press the on-off button for 3 seconds to force power off. The ionizer function is turned on by default. 3 color lights change colors according to the real-time air quality. Press the fan button for 5 seconds to connect the device to app. The icon will flash for 2 minutes to link up your device and app. Download the Tuya app. The phone and router must be in the same network. Only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network is supported. Add your device. Now the device is connected to the app for real-time index. Real-time air quality index. Setting menu. Countdown menu for timer. Mode for fan speed. You can on/off your device anytime. It shows as well the location, temperature, and weather.